Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing the Sensational Wet Lace Aziza 26-inch unit. This one's in the color Melt Mocha and it comes in other colors. This is a part of their Cloud 9 Wet Lace collection. So once I took it out of the packaging, I saw the beautiful highlight mocha pieces. It has different variations of blonde going throughout the entire wig. You do get a darker root, so the highlights are more on to the lower areas of the hair and then also in the front where they frame the face. So this unit does come with baby hairs. So I put it on the mannequin head and we're going to get started with plucking out the unit in the front. I knew that. So I put the wig on the mannequin head because I needed to see if there was anything extra that I wanted to do to the lace. You can see that it comes pre-plucked, but it's up to you if you want to pluck it out more and thin it out some. And I did. So I'm going to work on plucking the area near the parting space because I knew I wanted to leave it in the middle. And I wanted to make sure that I had more of a lighter, less full hairline. So we're going to work some plucking in and y'all are going to see the difference in a second. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. So you can already see the right side compared to the left side. It's a lot more thinned out. This is all the hair that came out when I plucked it. And I really like how it turned out. I feel like it looked a lot more natural this way. This was a very tedious process. I think it might have taken me about 25 to 30 minutes because I was really trying to make sure that I wasn't going to overdo it, and I think it came out just right. Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night, though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. So now we're going to work on installing the unit. I'm just flipping that unit over and you can already see how beautiful the blonde is. You can see how thinned out the hairline looks. It's a nice full texture wig and you have some beautiful curls that are in the unit. I'm going to work on cutting the lace off. I start off with my scissors first and then I'm going to work my way into the razor just to give it like a jagged edge cut so that way it'll blend a little bit more seamlessly into the skin and look more melted. They come, they go, Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo, baby, I'll love you one day. And can y'all believe it? I've been on a roll, honey. Today I'm doing some more baby hairs. I'm doing 2 on each side of the parting space. They are thin. I don't make them like really large and in charge. But yeah, I am going to do some. Before I cut these pieces off, I went in with a little bit of bronzer on the ends just to make sure that the lace blended into my skin pretty well. I used some edge control because I didn't have mousse in front of me at the moment, and it worked just fine with swooping the baby hairs into place. And then once I get the baby hair swooped into place, I moved into my ebony spray and I'm going to spray that all over the hairline. And then we're going to wrap it with a melt band just to make sure that holds into place and melts perfectly. And while it is melting, that is when I go ahead and brush out the curls because the curls are very beautiful when they come out of the packaging. But I do like for mine to be less tight and less poised. So once you brush them out, it just looks like it flows a little bit better and like it's not super duper perfect. Then I move into my concealer, making sure I make that parting space a little bit more visible. Oh, it was the perfect color for the parting space. And then I took that wrap band off, y'all, and can we get into the melt? Can we please get into the melt? Because what lace, literally what lace. I was quite pleased with how well that melted into my skin. I still went in with a little bit of powder because I feel like it's just something that I just gotta do, but honestly it wasn't even necessary. And then I went in with my concealer again to make sure I brought that parting space down some more, so it didn't look like it just stopped abruptly in an odd spot. And then of course you got to blend it out some with your brush to make sure it's not just looking like a concealer line just sitting there on your head. And that was it. I feel like that was really simple. I don't know, y'all tell me, but I feel like I got straight to the point, you know, and it's just beautiful. This wig is giving boss energy. Have you guys tried this unit out? Let me know what you think about it. I thought it was very beautiful. Not too many tangles, no shedding, and it was very full and big head friendly. I can't wait to try it in a different style, maybe like a side part, but the middle part is giving. Y'all know I love a good bust down middle part, and it's very cute.